Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's episode, we're out here at Bone Valley, riding around on the Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT Platinum Ranch Edition. As you see, we've already been through the trails a little bit. We just wanted to give you a halfway through update. It rides smooth. All 5 of us in the utility has no problem going over any of the bumps. We went through the motor coaster. We'll have some footage of that later. Stay tuned. Alright, hey guys, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those clips we just had for you from taking our trip out to Bone Valley in the Mule Pro FXT 1000 Platinum Ranch Edition. What did we think about it? Wow, what a great machine. Hands down. It can work around the yard, it can move debris, it can tow trailers. I wasn't so sure how well it'd be on the trail, but from what you could see, we took the family out. All 5 of us were in there. We rode the trails with no issues. Now, if you paid attention, you saw the one clip where the trail was a little narrow and the GoPro sticking out on the side got smacked by the tree. So those trails are a little small for a machine this wide. Outside to outside, it's about 64 inches, especially with these steps on the side. But overall, it really absorbed the ruts, it absorbed the ups and downs. It was not uncomfortable at all, even though you're in an upright seating position. We didn't seem to have a problem with it. Nobody complained. Everybody was comfortable. There was plenty of room. 3 of them in the back, 2 of us are up front. We each took a turn driving around. Everybody seemed to really enjoy it. It was easy to drive, wasn't much to it, had plenty of power. You just got to make sure the emergency brake's off. We did have one incident where the brake wasn't all the way forward by just a little bit, and the machine didn't want to go. But we remedied that pretty quick. It was an easy fix, and then the machine took off. So I don't know if it's a safety thing. However, the machine ran flawless. It did very well. It absorbed the bumps and jumps. We didn't take it over, I don't think, 20 miles an hour. And that was on the hard road, the main roads, the connecting type roads out there at Bone Valley. On the side trails, we stayed somewhere between 4 and 12 or 13 mile an hour, depending on where we were, you know, ups and downs and around, if there was narrow trees to go between. The machine did excellent. Now, for Bone Valley, it's a nice park. Bathrooms were clean. The staff was really friendly and helpful when we got there. There was a lot of people there for a Sunday. I was kind of thinking a Sunday would be a little slower. However, there was plenty of people. There were a lot of dirt bikes, a few four-wheelers, and I only saw 2 other side-by-sides in all of our travels. The motor-coaster, definitely narrow. I would say it's probably geared more towards four-wheelers and dirt bikes because of it is narrow, unless you have a narrow machine. If you got a 60-inch machine side by side, it'll probably be okay. It was a little tight for my comfort in this one, but we did well. Even in the big machine, we did well. We were new to the park, so we weren't going wide open anyway. We wanted to take it easy because it's unfamiliar terrain, unfamiliar turns, what's on the other side. We did go over the bridge that connects the new section to the old section so that we could go over the motor coaster. My other camera crew member, Aiden, he was the one driving on the motor coaster. We had one spot that we had to put it in 4-wheel drive, and it was on the motor coaster. It had been raining. It's like a marly clay type base, so it was slick as frog snot when we were going up that hill and in that one spot. So in 2-wheel drive, it just would not go. It was just spinning. So we took a moment, put in 4-wheel drive, low range, right up it went, no problem. So we did get to try out the 4-wheel drive. There wasn't a lot of soft stuff out there, maybe because it's been raining, or maybe it's always hard packed. Again, our first trip out there. We really enjoyed it. We will go back eventually, depending on what machines we come up with, to test out and check out. We are going to go back. We like the park. Yes, it was $15 a head to get in, so it was $65 for us because my regular camera crew, my daughter, is only 15, so she was $5 to get in. Now, after next week, she'll be full price. However, even at that, they didn't charge us to bring the machine in. It is a small park. We covered most everything in about 3 hours. But we stayed and we rode around, we took breaks, we had a picnic, we had lunch. We did get to use the restroom facilities. That's how I can verify, yes, they are clean. They keep them up. We did see the bike wash. It was full when we were gonna go rinse this machine off because that marl clay was sticking to it. But it was full, so we just figured we'll do it when we got home. But it was available, which is very nice. Most of the traffic that was back there was parked to the rear by the motocross track, the T-Rex. There was a lot of dirt bikes, four-wheelers. It was great to see families out there, adults, mid-sized kids, little kids. Of course, we were family out riding around. There was an older couple in a side-by-side. It looked like a Polaris. I think the other side-by-side was a KRX that we saw. Of course, the maintenance folks out there, or the staff out there, is everywhere. There's a monitor out there at the racetrack. There's folks driving around on trucks on the main roads, checking things, making sure everybody's doing okay. We encountered one dirt bike, a dad and a son, or a dad and a child. I couldn't tell if they had a helmet on. Made sure that they were okay as we drove by. We gave them a thumbs up. They said everything was good. But you know, it's not a big deal. We did get past. We definitely weren't the fastest folks out there because we were taking our time. We were learning where we were at. Some of those folks are regulars. Those guys out there that did pass us, they let us know they were behind us, even though we got mirrors. Sometimes, you know, you're not used to it, checking them, because you're off-road, you're not in a car. But we got to the side, we waved them by, they all went around, very friendly. Nobody was acting the fool, anything like that we saw, which made it more family fun. Everybody enjoyed it. We all agree that we'll go back, and it's definitely worth your trip out there if you've never been there before. If you've been there, great. Drop me a comment, let me know what you thought about it. What were your pros and cons? If maybe they're the same as ours. It's really a great park. We enjoyed it. We thank Bone Valley for being open on the weekend. We're grateful they were there. We don't have any affiliation with them. I just wanted to go out there. I'd never been there. I heard so much stuff about it, good, that I wanted to verify that. And we needed to put this thing to the test on some trails that weren't just here around our house. So, all in all, summary, is it a good unit to work around your yard, your house, your small properties, as well as take on the occasional trail ride? Good family fun? Absolutely. Hands down, you need to look at this machine. It's definitely going to be on our list after we review a few other machines. It's going to be on our list to consider. So thanks for watching. We appreciate you as always. If you haven't had a chance yet, please like, subscribe, help our channel grow. It costs you nothing. Comment below. Give us your pros and cons. If you've been to Bone Valley and you know that there's a better way to do things than what we were doing, based on the footage that we've given you and what we just talked about, please let us know down in the comments. We love all the feedback. If there's another park close by that we should go visit, go try it out, because we want to test the machines in real world scenarios, right? If there's any other parks, please let us know. We appreciate that information just as well as anybody else. All right, guys, I thank you for watching. Come back, see us in the next video. Have a great day.